Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Traxxas Slash out with me. Now, I'm already out here doing speed runs with the 100-mile-per-hour Traxxas Slash project. That ended in complete disaster. I'm going to go ahead and put a card for that video in whichever corner, one of the corners. So if you want to check out that disaster with the 100-mile-per-hour Traxxas Slash, go ahead and check that out. But I figured since I'm already out here and I had this in the Jeep with me, I want to go ahead and do some top speed passes and get a GPS recorded speed of the Traxxas Slash. Now the gearing is still a 26 tooth pinion and an 86 tooth spur gear. So some people say I should gear it up even higher or gear the spur gear down. But this is actually going to be the first run since putting the locker spool in because I locked up the rear diff. Now this is not like a formal test. By the way, I cut myself on the 100-mile-per-hour Traxxas Slash project, so I'm bleeding. But this is not going to be a formal test. I'm going to do like a much more in-depth testing this thing with the locker spool because I know some of you guys want to see that. But today we're just going to go ahead, get her on the road, do some passes, some 2S passes. So I got a ZOP LiPo power pack, a 7.4 volt, 60C discharge rate, 6,000 milliamp 2-cell pack. We'll run that first because legally for drag racing, the most you can run is a 2-cell. But then just for giggles, we're gonna go ahead and throw a 3S in and see what it can do on 3S. So go ahead and put your guesses down in the comments below before watching this video, what you guys think it'll do with a 2S pack and with a 3S pack. And we're just gonna have to see. So let me go ahead and get them thrown in and we'll make some passes. Gosh guys, I'm an idiot. I totally forgot we can't run this on 3S. I totally forgot what ESC I had in this machine. I have Dean's connectors. So this 3-cell unfortunately has a Traxxas plug, so I'm not going to be able to run 3S, so I'm sorry for disappointing you guys. Luckily this one has an adapter so I can take it off and we can run the Dean connector for the 2S pack. So we'll at least get a 2S top speed. Let me know in the comments down below what you think it'll get 2S. I'm thinking right around 40. I'm thinking 40 miles per hour, 35 to 40. Let's go with 38 mile per hour top speed on 2S, that's my guess. Also, I did some repairs to this machine since the last run. I broke this mount right here, this extended body mount, so I bought a new one of those. I got this huge blower fan, which sounds like a freaking vacuum cleaner. I was able to get the front bumper back on because the front bumper broke off last run as well. So we had a lot of stuff break on this last run too, so let's just not crash this thing. So let me go ahead, get the GPS hooked up somewhere, and we'll see what she can do. I do apologize guys, it's a pretty breezy day, that's why I'm hiding behind my Jeep to try to stay out of the wind the best that I can. But I couldn't find a great place to mount the GPS up, so I just went ahead and put it up on the front shock tower or the front body mount. So let me go ahead, get her turned on, get the body on, and we'll take her for some passes. Can you hear that fan guys? It sounds like a vacuum. Ready for a launch? She might not hook up, but we're still gonna launch her. Ready, get set, go. Yeah, she's still kind of launched. That's pinned right now. And we'll do a flyby back this way. Here we go guys, on the throttle. Okay, I'm pinned. She's moving along at a decent clip. My steering trim's off a little bit. Let's do another one from that direction. Here we go. Pinned. She's not a slouch. She might be pushing 40 miles an hour. Pinned. Bring her back and do like one more launch. All right, ready, get set, go. She almost wants to pick those front tires up. Go. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's going to be the end of her. Let's see what she got. What do you guys think? What do you put down in the comments? I'm thinking it probably went 35 to 40. I guess 37, I think. She might have gone 37. Okay, here's GPS. It just fell off right here. And I was in the ballpark. So, 35 miles per hour is the peak speed. So if I geared it up a little bit, like put like a 76, I could put like a 76 tooth per gear in it, I think. And I could gear it up to like a 29. I think some people even go 31 tooth pinion. I bet you then it would go over 40. But we got 35 miles per hour on 2S. I'll be back out again with this thing to run her on 3S. I just need to make sure I have a 3S pack with the Dean's connector, because I didn't have the right connector. But 35 miles per hour on 2S, not terrible. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.